Good morning everyone and welcome back to Taste Soul Good. So it's about 7 a.m. here in beautiful Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. So I'm getting ready to go to a Balinese cooking class. So in just a few moments the driver will pick us up and take us to a local market where we'll pick up our fresh ingredients and then go to a cooking class and learn how to make a few Balinese traditional dishes. I'm super excited as I do love Balinese food. So let's go check out a local Balinese cooking class. So we're in the market before our cooking class and our guy is showing us all of the ingredients and the history behind them. So really interesting, a lot of fresh produce here and meats.
This one. Can you see the difference?
Yes.
Yes, the color is different, right? This is the white sticky rice. This is we use for bread, for dessert, for the cake. And this one, this is regular white rice, what we consume for daily product. For the fried rice, yes. For the yellow rice, yes. What we consume, this one. Okay. I think this is the heart. This is the rice steamer. So later on in the class, I'll let you know how to cook the rice. We use this one to steam the rice.
Okay.
So all the rice we put in and then we steam from the bottom.
Thought it was a hat. I thought it... Now we're going to the rice fields and our guide's going to show us the rice fields. That should be exciting. So just finished the market, learned a little history. Here this guy's making satay. So here is the rice field. So the guy just told us that they can grow rice here in Bali all year round. And it takes about 4 months from the time they plant the seed until it is ready for harvest. So they can do that about 3 times a year.
Okay, before we start, I would like to explain a little bit about the rice field for you. So in Bali, like I said before, we have 4 types of the rice, and then rice that is like our main course, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. We eat the rice all the time. It's right. And then type of the rice, white rice, red rice, black sticky rice.
Hey guys, so we've just arrived at the Periuk Cooking Class here in Bali. So the price is 35,000 Indonesian rupiah. So we got picked up and went to the rice fields and market and some other things, and we're getting ready to go in and cook. So let's go check it out. Dishes is a lot of fun. Now there's a little buffet, so we're going to go sample all the food and taste it and see how good it is. So here's the food we just prepared. We have some chicken satay and some rice, some chicken curry, and some vegetables and some steamed fish and this banana leaf. and some Balinese pepper sauce. We just finished our cooking class. It was a lot of fun. Food is really good. It's a really good experience. Would definitely recommend you come here if you are visiting Bali. I'll leave all the information down below. So if you like this video, be sure to give a big thumbs up. Have a great day. I'll see you later.